So we are here to talk with Joshua about security on more of the application layer. As we notice that the OS gets more and more hardened, that actually attacks are more directed towards the application layer. And Joshua, what are we doing in that area?
Yeah, so we've noticed this trend over the last 2 years across the industry as more and more attacks have sort of shifted towards apps. And as a common desktop application, Microsoft Office has really taken an approach through innovation and through partnership. The innovation has come through what we've done with the product in terms of additional features, in terms of the capabilities that have been that we've put in terms of the testing and the resourcing to ensure that it's the most secure application possible when we roll it out to you. But part of that is also partnering with our customers as well. So giving them better resources and tools to manage the capabilities of the product. And that's why we've created the 2007 Microsoft Office Security Guide.
Okay, so we are announcing the Office Security Guide today. And this is a set of documents and tool that basically an IT pro manager can take to further really customize those the security of the applications. Did Microsoft do that all by themselves?
No, actually, it hasn't been just our view of the world. We've actually worked with a number of customers, governments, organizations over the past year to not only develop what the recommendations are in the guide, but to test them in production. So when we basically said, this is what we view, they were able to roll that out in their testing environments and then come back to us and say, these things are the better way to do it. We found that these are issues that you didn't go far enough on and so forth. And so by going through that partnership approach, we've been able to validate that the recommendations that are made in the guide work in real world scenarios. So it's not, sort of the perfect world, it's the real world. And as such, we're very comfortable recommending these to an IT professional. In a large or small organization, you don't need to be big. It'll work for everybody.
Yeah, so the biggest advantage you would say for using this tool in the guide would be?
Well, I think it's twofold. One is that for the first time, you understand all the features that are in Office that are available to you as an IT administrator to control. There's 5,700 different group policy and registry settings that are available in the product. We've already narrowed those down to the 300 some that are responsible for security. Not only do we tell you what they are and how you can configure them and what the interaction between them is, but we actually give you a tool that'll do all that automatically for you. So there's no need to go out and build that template from scratch. So you start with a default setting configuration, and you can tweak it from there to the specific needs of your organization.
Okay, great. So we are announcing this today, and where can people get it?
Yeah, absolutely. Today it's available online, free of charge. If you go to www.microsoft.com/Office Security, go ahead and grab it and download it. There's 2 documents there and the tool that I mentioned, and get working with it.
Okay, well people, let's do that, and thank you very much for your time, Joshua.
Thank you.